co-hosts, and we are going to be doing some live programming. I'm just going to load up Unity while we coordinate everything. Let's get Unity running. Just doing it off screen in case something scary happens, which it can do. This is chat screen. Open that up. Why does it? Got it. What the hell? Yeah, Unity isn't behaving nice and just tried to dox me, so that was fun. So today the things we're going to be doing in Unity are okay, now we can actually display it now. The things we are going to be doing in Unity, I'm just going to move myself, that's not me. Move across. We are going to be adding a filter. Sorry, we're going to be adding a user interface and settings, because at the moment the only way to quit out of the thing is to kill the program. So be handy if we just had a quit button. Standalone light module? Oh, standalone input module. So let's have first adding a, just add it underneath our event system, I think. Actually, adding it underneath the scene would make more sense. Or maybe under the canvas. All good places to add. UI. We want this is a question. We want a panel. We'll call this panel control. The idea of having that is we will be able to switch the controls, the visibility of the controls off and on, basically hide them. So right now that's filling the entire screen. That's not what we want. Yep. So can we grab actually grab hold of the panel itself. Oh, we're in the game mode. We want to be in scene mode. Okay. Controls, we want it to fill there. That's our text output. Here's our controls. We'll put that to, say, around about there. Then underneath that, we are going to add a button. UI text button. I'm going to call this one quit. Can we actually put the text on it? Recast type, sliced, button, normal color, color tint, target group. I think we just go down there, text, button, quit. Line by geography. Say 20 points. How does that look in the game? Yep, that's readable. And I'm going to put that at the bottom. Is there any way to just, do we just scroll it, or, oh no. There we go. So, how do we make things quit out of the game? Let's go and look at the button itself. Button only. So, I'm going to add another function to the button. Let's actually add another component, I mean. Add a component. New script. Quit me. Add. Right. So, I'm just going to switch over to my classroom view, because I just want to fire this up and I just want to make sure that I don't dox myself while Visual Studio's loading, because just being extra cautious today. X. Not now. Okay. So we got this. I'm going to add a new function. Not right now, I'm busy. Void quit. Oh, on applet. No, that's not what I wanted. Why are you... There. I think it actually should be void. Now, save this. We go back to here. Select object. From scene. Quit. And the quit me. The function. Right. I think we go to send message. Or unless can we just no, we can't go to the simple scene. Yeah, we actually probably go to the event system. That means we don't want this. We actually don't want this thing. Let's how to get rid of that. Edit script, copy soup, remove component. Okay. So event system. Cancel the broadcast message. You can send a message to the event system. We'll call it shutdown. Right. Module. System. Okay. Gonna have to look up. Receiving events and messages. Send message, okay. It's fine. Okay, how do I receive a message? Subscribes to a subject. Two. Okay. God, that's a horrid. Okay, messaging system, Unity. Okay. Oh, God. I hate tutorials that reference older systems. Button if. Oh, that's just useful. Okay. Let's have a look at our button again. No function. Get rid of here. Okay. Game object slash button. Select. That's not what I want. I wonder if we just remove all this. And we look at a manual. How to make work in button. The canvas is call it button behavior. Okay. Okay. Create a new script. Where? Inside the console? Guess there's a new asset. Create a script. C# script, there we go. And we call that button behavior. Let's edit that. Hello, Kiro. How are you going? I am going quite well at the moment. And just following a little bit of a guide in order to get this quit function running. Let's get rid of that. We'll add quit. Button behavior. This one. Public, yep. Script to it. It's not. Okay. We'll add, we'll save this. This little program, where was it? Back to here. It says create an empty game object, which we can do. Create empty. Button manager. We'll add that component to the button manager. Where is this? Component. Why can't I add this component? There we go. Ah, thank you. I do enjoy every bit of sub I can get. that sounded wrong. I really am happy for every subscriber I receive. So, now if we run the program, we load up. And that's working. And if we hit this, it'll come up in our console log. No, it won't, because I haven't bound it to any program. And the text, the screen text code is working correctly, which is good. So that is an excellent sign. So put it out of here. So we look at this. And we go on click, add the object, which is the button behavior. That's bizarre. No function. Because we've exported that. So go on your own property. Button manager. Navigate to no function list on button press. So let's have a look. Public void on button press, it's there. Runtime. Nope, that's not it. So tab. Okay, so drag and drop that into there. Game object. Press method. There is on button press. Quit me script. Let's quit me script. Oh. Copy. Paste. Save you go. Now, if we have a look at here, we see on button press, excellent. So we play this now. And excellent. Coming up in debug. Next step is how to quit game. Application quit. So application quit. Copy that. We go back in here. Button press. Paste. Why doesn't things cut and paste anymore? Copy. Application quit. Probably have to go well, caused an error. We'll see if it's publicly available. So we run this. Okay, things load up. We hit quit. Said we hit quit and nothing happens. Not even an error message. Okay, so application quit. Why do you not quit? Why can't I quit you? Quit me. There we go. Compiles. Let's do the classic debugging tricks. Just copy that. We don't do that. So debug log. log for quit. And debug log after quit. And we save that. Go for another. Run. Okay, we have before quit and after quit, but the application didn't quit. That is curious. Quit. Application quit. Okay, let's have a look at our code and compare it to the documentation. Crashed. Quit not working. Okay, it doesn't close when testing because it will. Okay, so that is actually expected behavior. Because it would have killed Unity. Right. Well, that means we've accomplished that. So I'm going to briefly save. Actually, I'm going to call this stream to an end. It's a little bit early, but it's getting quite hot here, so I need to cool down. Thank you everybody who joined, and we will work on some more stuff tomorrow. Right.